new plan. I always do that. Okay, enough of that. She boasted it. Okay, enough of this one. Nope. I'm enjoying this diet.
Ready? We're gonna play Chubby Bunnies. Are you taping?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna tape Chubby Bunnies. So 1, 2.
Oh no.
Chubby Bunny.
Yeah,
Chubby Bunny.
I did enough trying to put on all the color in my mouth. So.
Text me back, Tommy.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. I have a really big mouth. Come on, go. I'm trying to get on this Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Okay, I will call him bravery. How many do you have in there, Felicia? Oh, I haven't even counted. What? No. Ew! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have like, no wait, this one is that's 6. Oh! You can throw that one. Really? So we're throwing bras at the ceiling fan. They go funny places. I need something that's longer, because I can't reach any. We need to move my back. Scary. No, we need to move it out so we can get too broad. No, don't throw that one. It fits me. Put it away. Put it in the drawer. Put it in the drawer for camp. You don't want thrown away. All of them except for that one and the green one. Can I throw this one? Oh, this is great. Where's that green one that you don't want? These all these? Huh? Which one don't you want? All except for the... Oh, wait. Is that the, like, really big green one or the normal? No, that's not that one. That's your mom's. That's your mom's. Yeah, throw that. Throw my mom. I want to throw one. Are you taping? Yeah. I'm taping the bra throwing shenanigans. I want to throw one. Who the hell is this? Watch your mom come up right. It'd be great. No, what you gotta do, you gotta do this off. Which one's off? Put one up there. No, yes. Yeah, you put some animals on it and then turn it on. Okay, yeah. It has this weird glare. Okay. Oh, do it. Hold on. Stop it, hold on. Don't do the bear. Don't do the stuffing. Yeah. Okay. Just do the bras. So, right now we're putting bras, they're strapped on the ceiling fan. Sean's having so much fun dancing under there. So once you turn it on, they're going to go crazy, hopefully. Hold on, let me take a picture. This is going to be cool. I need a picture of this. Oh my god, I'm starting it. You have my camera or just yours? Yeah, I gave it to you. Oh, where is it? I don't know. Oh, it's right here. Hold on, don't do anything yet. I'm not taking a picture of this because I don't like it. It's like really weird because of the glare of the fan. This is 2 minutes. All of these are 34. Wait, that's it. I can get picked up at 11. Okay, I'll ask my dad if 11's okay. Because he's like, no, I'm just saying, yeah, this is a good spot. Okay, turn it out. Ready? This is going to be amazing. You gotta move. Which one? This one? No, other one. Hold on. Oh, that's stuff. Throw them. It's better. Woo! That's bad. You guys are really bad. Because I was doing it while filming. It got stuck in the shades. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, I'm watching John come up here. Whoa, that's a good one. What y'all doing? We had a very interesting conversation. I want to start with the mat. That's a giant...
The end. That's my camel toe.
The end? Ew.
That's where our bones fed. Can I light it now? No.
No, we have to... How are you going to light it? There's nothing to light. You can't light.
You're going to get cold, Monica.
I know.
Can I light that then? Newspaper. We're fine. This is going to be fine. Can I light the tinder? This is going to be the saddest fire ever. That's alrighty with me. You guys should really stand back.
Wait, okay, yeah.
Just
light
it. Wait,
lighter fluid?
No, you're not using lighter fluid. That is the cheater way. We're doing the campfire way. That was a fail again.
No.
I'm going to let Monica go first. Anna, could you help me?
A match.
John's coming with the blanket. Woo! Thank you.
I'm doing it after you if you fail. Okay,
This is going to be so sad.
Green leaves on fire.
God. We need dead leaves. Go get dead leaves. Those leaves are alive. I can't use those.
Do you have any newspaper, maybe?
Yeah, that's what I just said. John, do we have any newspaper?
Dude.
Yeah, hold on.
Sunday paper
Take all that out.
on a Friday.
Felicia?
What?
Just take all that
I
out.
know how to make fire, John.
Felicia?
He's locked in. Oh no. He's locked in. He's gonna cry. Can you hear us?